Hello, everybody. Hello, Ajarn. My name is Ted, and we are from the Alibaba Group. And today we'll be having a presentation on the Alibaba Group and how they run its business based on like technological aspect, how they utilizes those technology to run its business efficiently and effectively. We will going through aspects such as the business IS, IT, hardware, software, telecommunication, database, examples and acquisitions, conclusion, even, and last but not least, we'll be going through the future direction and trend of the company. So please stay tuned and enjoy the presentation.
Before we start, I would like to share a quick background of the company. First, Alibaba was founded in 1999 by former English teacher named Jack Ma, with another 17 people who scraped together $80,000 from 80 investors to start an online marketplace for Chinese company. The president of the company name is Michelle Iwan. In 2020, Alibaba customers reached the number of around 757 million buyers and 117,000 of workers in the company. Moreover, Alibaba is one-stop marketplace with access to customers not only in China, but also in 6 Southeast Asia countries, which include Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. Next, Lemon will tell you about how Alibaba managed the information system. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Lemon, and next I'm going to talk about how Alibaba company manage their business information system. So, the information system is certainly of central significance to Alibaba.com, where the range, type, and cost of product offered to customer are critical dependent on the way information technology and the associated information system are developed and implemented. E-commerce, financial payments, logistics, entertainment, all of these different application scenarios exist within the Alibaba ecosystem, and the company has algorithm-based and real-time updating based on all of the data collected from its product of the commerce on its platform and around its user. And next, my friend will talk about how they use the hardware in their company.
From what we learned from lecture class, the selection of the right hardware is extra critical. Therefore, a good understanding of each hardware is very important in the decision of purchase. The right hardware for the right task, so that either the resources won't be wasted or the task can be done due to the lack of powerful hardware. Alibaba is one of the largest e-commerce industries in the world, and a lot of the sales comes from the sales from their websites or the phone application. Alibaba has a lot of customers, so a lot of the expense goes into server, storage, and etc. For example, source data input devices are quite important for barcode payments and credit card payments. Maintenance and renewal of these hardware should be tightly observed as well. On the other hand, for our regular office workers that work on data collection and reports, the requirement of hardware won't be as significant. For example, you won't need a mechanical keyboard that costs around 2,000 baht in order to complete the reports. In the current era that we are living in, convenience is the key. Therefore, Alibaba also provides cloud storage services for many users. With the growth of the market, competitors push Alibaba to improve and spend a lot more money on their hardwares. In conclusion, search for hardware with the lowest cost that won't affect the workers' efficiency and performance.
Alibaba uses three main software. First one is operating system. This system is an interface between computer user and computer hardware. Alibaba uses this system for this every purpose. The second one, language processor. This system is used for the processing program code to the machine code. Since Alibaba is a technology company, This software system is truly essential to the company. The last one is utility software. This is a system where the software is designed to optimize or maintain the computer. There are 6 applications that use those softwares. First one is the Alibaba application, Alibaba B2B trade application, Alibaba Android application, and AliExpress shipping application, AliExpress seller application, and the last one, Ali supplier application.
For the telecommunication of Alibaba part, not long ago, the telecommunication sector consists of the big national and regional operators. Since the early 2000s, the industry has been swept up in rapid regulation and innovation in many countries around the world. Government monopolies are now privatized and they face the plethora of new competitors. The traditional market has been turned upside down as the growth in mobile service outpaces the fixed line and the internet start to replace voice as their stable business. And the telecommunications sector for Alibaba is made up of companies that make communication possible on a global scale, whether it is through the phone or the internet, through the airwaves or the cable, through the wire or wirelessly. Alibaba created infrastructure that around data in the form of voice telephone call, data, text, image, and videos to be sent anywhere in the world. And the largest company in the sector are telephone operators, which is both wire or wireless, and satellite companies, cable companies, internet service provider, which is used the most for Alibaba applications.
Alibaba Cloud had 3 databases that are available, which is depending on the requirement and preference. Those 3 databases are MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Microsoft SQL Server. For MySQL is available in all 16 regions, but PostgreSQL and Microsoft SQL Server are available in only 13 regions. Alibaba promotes these 4 reasons in order to attract people to migrate database to Alibaba Cloud. First, Alibaba Cloud offers the extensive product portfolio that can provide the necessary solution, analyze and manage the data in order to support and can add the value to the business. Second, Alibaba Cloud can empower the business which does not limit the scale of business. Third, Alibaba databases have supported more than 100,000 people and over 400,000 of database hosts. Last, Alibaba's databases is integrated with new innovation AI solutions that can include many features such as auto recovery and auto optimization.
The next one is example of application on mobile phone. Since Alibaba is a worldwide company, it will need something that can be convenient for their customer to connect with them. There are AliExpress shopping app and Alibaba.com B2B trade app. Both applications are available on both iOS and Android services. The first one is AliExpress shopping app. This app was launched in 2010. It is made up of small businesses in China and other locations such as Singapore. This app offers products to international online buyers. It is the most visited e-commerce website in last year. It is an application for everyone to shop from everywhere. It is a very easy application to use. It has an easy way to look for products that you need, which is called image search. The customer can just take a picture of the item and they will find the exact match or items that similar to what they want. And another one is called Alibaba.com B2B trade app. This app is a leading wholesale mobile marketplace for global trade. Customers can buy products from suppliers around the world with the easy way through their mobile device. It is a business-to-business trading platform connecting manufacturers and the wholesaler with buyers from around the world. Merchants have to pay annual sales fee, and sales commission to Alibaba.
So let's start with the first one. Alibaba acquisitions of the system. Alibaba Group has built the e-commerce ecosystem, credit reporting, SME financing, credit guarantee, supply certification, payment system, and logistics by building up the credit profiles of the Chinese SME based on the business-related data. Alibaba Credit Reporting Service can help overseas buyer identify the trustworthy trading partner and provide the Chinese suppliers access to the innovative financing options. So let's start with the next topic. With rental service of Alibaba, Alibaba have provide sourcing online transaction of service by connecting the manufacturing and wholesaler to the whole buyers in China. So that you can see from these pictures, they have a lot of stuff to rent, and customer can see the information such as category, ready to ship, trade show, and so on. So they can choose what stuff they want to rent or buy from this website. By a remote cloud computing server rather than an on-site server. Those scalable solutions are managed by third party and provide users with access to computing services such as analytics, networking via the internet. Alibaba Cloud, also known as Ajarn, the Chinese multinational cloud computing company, is a sub of Alibaba Group. Alibaba Cloud provide cloud computing service to online business and Alibaba own e-commerce ecosystem. While partner companies are based on Hangzhou, China, its international operations are registered and headquartered in the city of Singapore.
In conclusion, by being the technological pioneer, Alibaba has benefited from being among the first e-commerce platforms in the world. With the age of technological advancements, along with utilization of artificial intelligence, Alibaba has risen to be the leading firms in China as well as around the globe. Although the frames may need to improve some service here and there, but I think it will remain the top frames with high technological advancements for many years. For my recommendations, I think Alibaba should expand to enter the market outside of China more to be able to compete in the worldwide market against e-commerce leaders like Amazon or eBay. It would be a great improvement for Alibaba. It would be able to gain advantage from bring low production cost and faster delivery due to mass production.
All right, so to predict the future of the company, it's almost 100% not accurate, and it will never be 100% accurate. But based on the research that we have conducted and the statistical reports that we have looked through, our group have come to a conclusion that Alibaba is headed into a very positive direction, because already today they have successfully made their names in today's technology industry, and they are one of the biggest tech companies in the world, or if not at least the biggest in Asia. And Jack Ma, the CEO and the founder, has done a amazing job in growing this company. So I would like to get through some details on why we have come to this conclusion. So based on the financial reports that we have thoroughly looked through in the past 5 years, past 5 fiscal years, Alibaba has outperformed almost all its competitors, and it's doing really well today as well. So there's not much reason on why Alibaba shouldn't have a bright future ahead. And Alibaba Group is expected to have a strong growth. Yeah. And then another factor is it is most likely that Alibaba will be included in the S&P 500. So those of you that doesn't know, S&P 500 is like a regulator or an organization that rates the company that are in the stock markets. So for example, last year Tesla wasn't in the S&P 500, which has really impacted the stocks of Tesla. So if you're in that S&P 500, many people want to invest in it. It's like a good name for the company. So it is most likely that Alibaba will be included in that S&P 500. And having that S&P 500 on your resume or on your company's reputation, it's a very, very big advantage. And regarding the trend, it is most definitely that Alibaba will get into AI, which is artificial intelligence, which is almost every tech company is trying to get in there. So yeah, those are the future trends and the predictions that our group have concluded for the company. Thank you.